Have you ever felt lost at an airport or didn't know what to say at a hotel or restaurant? Don't worry. Today we'll learn the most useful travel English phrases to help you sound confident anywhere in the world.
Exactly. Whether you're checking in for a flight, booking a hotel, or ordering food, we've got you covered. Let's make your next trip stress-free and fun in English.
Hi everyone, welcome back to Podcast with me. I'm your host Sarah, and with me is Alex.
Hey there. It's great to be back.
In today's episode, we'll learn easy and useful English phrases for travelers, especially when you're at an airport, hotel, or restaurant.
We'll listen to short role plays, explain every key phrase in simple English, and give you time to repeat and practice.
So grab your notebook and let's start your travel English journey. Good morning. I'd like to check in for my flight to London.
Good morning. May I see your passport, please?
Sure, here you go.
Thank you. Do you have any bags to check in?
Yes, just one suitcase.
All right, your seat number is 18A and your gate is number 5. Have a nice flight and
Thank you so much. Phrase 1. I'd like to check in for my flight, meaning you say this when you arrive at the airport to get your boarding pass. It's a polite way to start.
Phrase 2. May I see your passport, please? Meaning, this is a polite question from airport staff. You can also say it when you want to sound respectful. Do you have any bags to check in? Meaning, the staff asks this to know if you have luggage for the airplane hold.
Have a nice flight, meaning a friendly goodbye used before someone travels by plane. At airports, always be polite and smile. Use please and thank you. It makes communication smoother and more respectful.
Flight sounds like flate. The GH is silent. Try it. Flate.
At the hotel, good evening. I have a reservation under the name Sarah White.
Welcome, Miss White. Can I see your ID, please?
Of course, here it is.
Thank you. You're staying for 3 nights, right?
Yes, that's right.
Here's your room key. Your room is on the 2nd floor. Enjoy your stay.
Thank you so much. Phrase 1. I have a reservation under the name.
Phrase 2. Can I see your ID, please? Meaning, hotel staff say this to confirm your booking.
Phrase 3. Enjoy your stay. Meaning a friendly phrase used when someone checks into a hotel.
Cultural tip. In many countries, hotel staff often greet you with a smile and small talk, saying things like, thank you, or that's very kind, makes you sound friendly and polite.
Pronunciation tip. Reservation is pronounced reservation. Now at the restaurant. Hi, a table for 2, please.
Sure. This way, please. Would you like to see the menu?
Yes, thank you. What do you recommend?
Our pasta and grilled chicken are very popular.
Great. I'll have the grilled chicken, please.
Would you like something to drink?
Just water, please.
All right. Your order will be ready soon.
Phrase explanations. Phrase 1. A table for 2, please. Meaning, use this to ask for a table when you enter a restaurant.
Phrase 2. What do you recommend? Meaning, a polite question to ask the waiter for suggestions.
Phrase 3. I'll have the grilled chicken, please. Meaning, a natural way to order food. Phrase 4. Just water, please.
Cultural tip. In Western restaurants, it's common to say thank you or excuse me to get attention. In India, sometimes we just call the waiter directly. But abroad, polite phrases work better.
Pronunciation. Tip. Menu is pronounced menu, not menu. Okay, everyone. Now it's your turn to practice. Ready? Okay, everyone. Now it's your turn to practice. Ready?
Let's go. When you arrive at the airport, what do you say to the staff? Right. I'd like to check in for my flight. At the hotel, What do you say when you already booked a room? Good job. I have a reservation under the name at the restaurant. What do you say to order your meal politely? Perfect. I'll have the grilled chicken, please.
You're doing amazing. The more you repeat, the more natural you'll sound.
Yes. Try to listen and repeat these phrases every day. It will really boost your travel confidence.
And remember, learning English is like traveling. Every word is a new destination.
That's beautiful, Sarah.
Thank you, Alex. And thank you, everyone, for joining us today on Podcast with Me.
If you like this episode, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And tell us in the comments where you want to travel next. See you next time with another fun and easy English learning episode.